Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good evening. Here we from Group 7 want to present the result of our discussion on the application, namely the inventory system. Here I will introduce my group member, namely Annisya, Vinanda, Safanka, Heldya Melkan, Nicholas Fang, Rizki Dwi Anugrah, Jans Dapdavicca, Darielma, Vidiccy, Nelson, Edi Yanto. Okay, next will be ready by Kikan.
Okay, I will explain the background. The background of a project related to inventory systems typically arises from several common issues faced by organization or business. Some common issues related to inventory system include the first, inability to track stock. Many organizations struggle to accurately track their inventory. This can lead to unnecessary overstock, stock shortage, disrupting operations, and even financial losses due to expired goods. The second, unexpected demand change. Customer demand can change suddenly, and if the inventory system is not responsive, business can face issues with stock not matching market demand. The third, theft or loss of goods. Theft or loss of inventory items can be a serious problem without effective security or tracking systems. The fourth, low visibility and analysis. Often, organizations lack sufficient visibility into the performance of their inventory. This makes it difficult to analyze trends, make informed decisions, and optimize inventory. Facing this issue, organizations often seek solutions in the form of developing or improving their inventory systems. The solution may involve using advanced inventory management software, adopting automation technology, improving procedures, and updating policies. This can help organizations become more efficient in managing their stock, reduce costs, enhance customer service, and mitigate the risk of losses. Next will be explained by Annisya.
Project scope. The scope of a program for an inventory system, which is encompass all projects related to the improvement, development, or implementation of an inventory system, should be detailed to understand in objective and limitation. Here is an example of the project scope for an inventory system program. 1. Program objective. To implement or enhance an efficient, measurable, and controlled inventory management system. 2. Program deliverables. Enhancement of the inventory system, including the necessary software, hardware, and infrastructure. Training for staff to ask the new or improved inventory system. Update documentation for the inventory system. Evaluation of the performance of the enhanced inventory system. 3. Time contracts. The program will be implemented within a specific dead period which should be deployed. 4. Budget. The program has a predefined budget to cover development, costs, training, and all required resources. 5. Resources. Human, technical, and financial resources required to manage and execute the program. 6. Stakeholders. Parties involved in the program, including management, the program teams, and user and other relevant parties. Son.
Okay, number 7, success criteria. Measuring program success based on increased efficiency, inventory accuracy, faster delivery times, and reduced operational cost. 8. Scope limitations. It must be clearly defined what is not included in the program, such as integration with other systems or specific aspect of inventory management, that may be handled separately. Number 9, risk. Identification of potential risks that could affect the program along with appropriate mitigation plans. Okay, number 10, scope change. Procedures for managing changes in scope during the program, including approval processes and monitoring. Number 11, performance metrics. Measurements that will be used to evaluate program success, such as inventory accuracy, order cycle time, and operational efficiency. The project scope of the inventory system program serves as a vital guide throughout the entire program, ensuring that all involved parties understand what is to be achieved and what is expected from the implementation or enhancement of the inventory system. The next by Nicholas Pang.
Explanation of the solution to be created. The solution of the problem is 1. Inability to track stock. Implement an inventory management system. Use specialist software to track and manage your inventory. The system shall provide real-time data on stock levels, reorder point, and item location. 2. Unexpected demand change. Demand forecasting. Use historical sales data, market trends, and predictive analytics to forecast demand more accurately. This will help in adjusting inventory levels proactively. 3. Theft or loss of goods. The ancient security measures improve security by implementing access control, surveillance system, and alarm system. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to the inventory storage areas. 4. Log visibility and analysis. Data analytics utilize advanced data analytics tools to gain insight into your inventory performance. This can help identify trends, slow-moving items, and areas for improvement. The next, Edi.
Explanation of the technology created. The technology used to design the GUI is Qt Designer. After the UI has been created, the design is converted to Python code and edited in software called Visual Code. The next will be presented by Rizki.
So as you can see, this is the system inventory GUI. So there is the title of the item stock. You can search the item that you want if the list is too long to see. So you can edit. Press the edit button to show the edit window, which you can edit the table, add a column or a row or the list of item you needed, or delete the column if you don't need it. The next will be a flowchart that's going to be explained by Jans.
The flowchart starts when we open the application or the web. When we press the start button, the system will open the main inventory window. And after that, you can press the edit button to start searching for your items in the inventory system. And then you can show the edits on the window. By doing so, you can find your items inside the flowchart, inside the GUI system. After pressing save, it will go to the system inventory main menu again, and you can start by pressing the start button to search for other things, or you can just end it.
Okay, we apologize if there are any inappropriate words in our presentation. We close with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.